Everyone thinks the best-selling Tag Heuer watch is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Formula 1 Automatic. The Formula 1 Automatic men's watch caught my eye immediately with its sleek design and precision engineering. Priced at $2,850, this watch is a standout piece that screams sophistication. If you're looking for a high-performance timepiece that doubles as an accessory, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The automatic movement means you don't have to worry about changing batteries, and the scratch-resistant sapphire crystal ensures that your watch stays looking brand new even after daily wear. The anthracite dial adds depth and character, while the date display is a practical feature for everyday use. With a rating of 4.5 stars from 50 reviews, it's clear that many users are impressed with its quality and style. Now, some people complained about the price, saying it's quite steep for a watch. Here's the thing though, with Tag Heuer's reputation for craftsmanship and durability, you're investing in a piece that not only tells time but also enhances your wardrobe. If you're serious about your style, this one is definitely worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a luxurious watch that stands out in both casual and formal settings. Skip this one if you're looking for something more budget-friendly or if you prefer digital watches. Honestly, for what you're getting, it's a solid investment. Now, if the price of the Formula 1 bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Carrera Analog Display. The Carrera Analog Display Swiss Automatic Silver Watch is another elegant option from Tag Heuer that really impressed me at first glance. Priced at $2,599, this watch offers a classic yet modern aesthetic. If you want a timepiece that combines style and Swiss precision, this is worth a serious look. The 41 polished stainless steel case not only feels sturdy but also looks sleek on your wrist. The sapphire crystal with double anti-reflective treatment means you won't be squinting to read the time even in bright light. Plus, the Swiss automatic movement and 38-hour power reserve ensure that you'll never miss a beat. With a 4.4-star rating from 39 reviews, wearers appreciate its reliability and timeless design. However, some users mention that the watch feels a bit heavy on the wrist. I'll be real with you, if you're used to lighter watches, this might take some getting used to. But for those who value that premium feel, it's not a deal breaker and adds to the overall experience. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a versatile watch that can transition from the office to a night out effortlessly. Skip this one if you prefer lighter options or want something more casual. It's definitely a value-for-money piece for serious watch enthusiasts. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something sporty. Product number 3, Men's Watch Winder. The men's watch winder for automatic watches caught my attention for its practical design and affordability at just $25.19. If you want to keep your automatic watches wound and ready to wear, this is worth a serious look. This watch winder is crafted from premium carbon fiber leather, giving it a modern yet durable feel. The dual power supply options mean you can use it at home or take it on the go. Plus, the adjustable pillow fits a variety of watch sizes, making it adaptable for any collection. With a 4.3-star rating and over 1,100 reviews, it's clear that buyers appreciate its functionality and style. Now, some users pointed out that it might struggle to keep larger watches wound properly. Here's the thing though, if you have a standard-sized watch, it works flawlessly, and for the price, it's hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you're a watch collector or simply want to keep your favorite timepiece ready to go. Skip this one if you have oversized watches or prefer a more traditional storage solution. It's a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on quality. Now, if you're looking for something with more sophisticated features, the next product might fit your needs better. Product number 4, Nutra Quartz Chronograph. The Nutra Quartz stainless steel chronograph watch for men was an eye-catcher with its striking blue sunray dial and refined style. Priced at $195, it offers a blend of quality and style without breaking the bank. If you want a watch that can be dressed up or down, this is worth a serious look. The 40-form case size and chronograph movement mean you get a robust watch that can handle daily wear while still looking sharp. The hardened mineral crystal lens resists scratches, so you don't have to worry about it getting damaged easily. It's rated 4.6 stars from over 6,500 reviews, which speaks volumes about its popularity and customer satisfaction. However, some users have mentioned that the band can feel a bit bulky for smaller wrists. Honestly, if you have a slimmer wrist, you might find it a bit cumbersome, but it's easily adjustable, making it a minor issue. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a stylish, functional watch at a reasonable price. Skip this one if you have a very small wrist or prefer a minimalist design. For what you're paying, it's an excellent choice for everyday wear. Alright, that wraps up our list of amazing watches. But the last one is a true classic that deserves a close look. Product number 5, Boston Men's Chronograph. The Boston Men's Chronograph watch from Lacoste has a classic yet sporty design that really caught my attention. At $136.05, it's a stylish option that won't break the bank. If you need a reliable watch that can keep up with your active lifestyle, this is worth a serious look. With a 40-toum stainless steel case and black aluminum bezel, this watch is both durable and fashionable. The quartz chronograph movement means you have the functionality of a stopwatch, which is great for timing workouts or events. Plus, with a water resistance of up to 50 meters, you can wear it during recreational swimming without worry. It boasts a solid 4.6-star rating from 304 reviews, indicating a high level of satisfaction. However, some users reported that it can be prone to scratches. Honestly, if you're rough on your accessories or work in a demanding environment, that may be a concern. However, taking care of the watch can easily mitigate this issue. This is perfect for you if you want a sporty watch that looks good in casual settings. Skip this one if you need something more dressy or upscale. For the price, it's a practical choice that delivers on style and function. So there you have it. From the luxurious Formula 1 automatic to the budget-friendly Nutra Quartz, each of these watches has its unique charm. Whether you're looking for something sporty or elegant, there's a Tag Heuer watch here that can suit your style. Choose wisely, and you'll have a timepiece that you can be proud to wear for years to come.